Today we're going to learn how to apply the other two types of discounts on specific items or free item, and buy or spend X and get Y. If we compare this option to the entire purchase option, here we can give discounts on specific items or to give a free item, as to here when we give a discount on an entire purchase. For example, I can choose to create a 50% discount deal, as we can see here, but here I can do it on coffee items only, so I can paste from Excel like we did before the item codes for the coffee, or I can select them from a group and then click on apply, and I can also limit it to total discount per purchase, so I can say give 50% discount on these purchases, but with a max of $20. So the max discount that can be discounted is $20, and I can limit the certain amount of times this discount can apply per purchase. For example, once per purchase. Now there are two additional options here we didn't see in the entire purchase option. The first one is special price for deals such as all starters for $2 for Valentine's Day. So if you have starters that range between $3 and $6, they will now be set to $2 for the time of the deal. So here I can put in all the starters for Valentine's Day. I put in the item codes for the starters. And let's say each item code has a different price, and now they will all be for $2. And here we can also apply the limitation we applied before. The second option is for free item. You can use this option to reduce any item you like to be free. Type in the item codes you'd like to give a discount to, or you can choose them from a group. And also here you can apply the limitations that we applied before. The last option is the most advanced option and is meant for deals based on different purchase combinations. For example, when a member buys a certain combination of an item, you can give each item a discount or add a discount for the entire combination. Or you can do the same when a member spends a certain amount of money. And to understand this better, let's use some examples. So let's set up a deal that when a member buys a burger and French fries on Mondays between 5 to 10 p.m., he gets the French fries for free. So first, let's add the time limits for this deal. And we're going to set it on Mondays. On Mondays between 5 to 10 p.m. And it's going to run forever. And there we have the limitation. And next, let's put in the item codes of the burgers and French fries. So for burgers, we have a saved group. And now we'll add the French fries item codes. And we'll create a new group for them as well. And here you can see we have two lines, line A and line B, and each line represents the group that you created. So next we're going to decide which lines are we giving a discount on. So we're going to click on Do, then Give Discount. And then here we have options, amount off, percent off, and special price, which we know from before. And the new thing here is you can choose which line you're going to give a discount on. Now in this example, we're giving the French fries for free, but if we wanted to give a discount on the entire combination, for example for the burgers and the French fries to be both in a new price, then we would have chosen to give a discount with a special price. But here we would have chosen to give the discount on the entire combination, and the discount would be to set burgers and French fries to be both for $6 now. We gave them a new price. And now let's go back to our example of giving the French fries for free. So we're going to click here, and you can give a discount on specific items for the combination. So we're going to choose line B, since we're only giving a free item on the French fries. We're giving the French fries for free. So we'll click on apply. And now when you buy one of the burgers and French fries, we give the French fries as a free item for free, line B. And that's the first example. Once you're done, you can click on Save as Draft or Activate. Here we'll click on Save as Draft. The second example is for every $60 you spend, you'll get a free item. So here we changed it to any items, and then we changed it to a total spend of $60. And then we added a burgers group in quantity of 1, which means you'll need to have at least one burger in the purchase. And then we'll scroll down and we'll choose free item, and then we'll choose here give. So we're going to give a discount on specific items for the combination. So we're going to give a discount, a free item on line B. And now when a member spends over $60 and he has one burger in the purchase, then we're going to give the burger for free, line B. And that's the second example. And the last thing we're going to go over today is to set up a deal with more than one case. So we're going to start from scratch again. So let's say we want to give the member a buy one get one free deal on burgers or on salads. In order to do that, we'll need to split it here to several cases. So first let's add a title. And then we'll scroll down here. We'll choose buyer spend X get Y. And then we'll choose the burgers group. So when a member buys 2 burgers, give one of the items above for free. And now we'll split it to several cases to add the salad case. So we're going to set up the exact same thing here in this case, only for salads. So here we can add the salads item codes. And of course save them as a group if you'd like. And then we're going to do the same thing. Specific items from the combination, and then one of the above is a free item. So we're going to give a free item on one of these, which are the item codes for salads. And now, when we collapse the cases, we can see the first one is buy one get one on burgers, and the second one is on salads. Now the rule here is when the first case is met, the second one won't be applied, which means once you have 2 burgers in the purchase, one of them will be discounted, even if there's salads afterwards in the purchase. It will identify the first 2 burgers that you have, and then it will stop there. That's why the location of the case is very important. So had we put the salads one first up here, once it would find 2 salads in the purchase, it would give one of them for free, and the burgers discount won't be applied. And that's how we set up a deal with 2 cases. And now you try. So let's take a look at the solution. What we were asked to do is set up a deal with one global condition and 2 cases. So first we added a title and a description, and then we were asked to limit the deal to Los Angeles, Chicago, and New York. So under conditions, we chose location ID is one of these locations. And then we had two cases. So in the first case, we were asked to give a buy one get one free on appetizers. So when you have two appetizers at your purchase, give one of them for free, as we can see here, one of the above items. And a free item, of course. And then we were asked to limit it to once per purchase, and that's what we did. And that's the first case. The second case was for every burger and drink a member buys, give the drink for free. So we also did buy or spend X and get Y when a member buys something from the group of burgers in the quantity of 1, and when someone buys one drink, give one of the above items for free, but specifically line B, which is the drinks. So when someone buys a burger and a drink, give the drinks for free. And that's the second case, and we've completed the deal. Once you're done, click on Activate. And that's it. Make sense?